I'm here in Wales, and we're here at Waterfall. Erosional landform filled in a river, tends to be in the upper course. And what we've got here is a band of resistant rocks. The water's coming over the top. Down the bottom there, it's eroding away the bottom with abrasion, with solution, with hydraulic action, and then it's eroding away underneath. And eventually that overhang collapses, and then it all falls down, and it leaves behind a gorge of procession. Look over here. This is the gorge that it leaves behind, and it's 6 feet to here. That is waterfalls in 60 seconds.